Hello and welcome to The Agenda. We're here in Strasbourg, but let's see what's happening next week in Brussels.
Fight again on Ukraine!
The crisis in Ukraine, along with the action that the EU should take against Russia, will dominate the headlines at committee meetings in Brussels, as it has done here in Strasbourg. First up, we head to a public hearing by the Foreign Affairs and International Trade Committees on Wednesday. MEPs will debate Russia's past actions vis-à-vis its eastern partners. Could delving into the past uncover the right diplomatic or economic course of action to be taken? Or could the answer lie in a Human Rights Committee meeting 2 days later? Activists will also join the debate on Russia's accountability for violation of human rights in Crimea. With much work to be done on rules to wind down failing banks, can a credible banking union actually get off the ground? Or are the building blocks of Europe's monetary union in the doldrums? The banking union will be on the agenda at next week's European Council meeting in Brussels on Thursday and Friday. And on Monday, Commissioner for the Internal Market Michel Barnier will also be discussing the single resolution mechanism at the Economic and Monetary Affairs Committee meeting. And a quick mention of the 27th Joint EU, African, Caribbean and Pacific Countries Conference that gets underway from Monday in Strasbourg. On the agenda will be combating terrorism via the internet, HIV and AIDS prevention. Find out more next week. A big priority on Tuesday for the Employment Committee will be securing the rights of workers undertaking casual or temporary contracts under the Posting of Workers Directive. Every year, 1 million Europeans travel across the borders to find work. But what they find and the conditions they're forced to work in are unpalatable. If the vote goes well, the report then goes to plenary in April. Some had argued that honey isn't as natural as we've all been led to believe. They had argued that it wasn't just bees making it, but that genetically modified pollen was also an ingredient. That idea was thrown out at a vote of the Health and Environment Committee in January. And a further vote to adopt the agreement reached with member states takes place on Wednesday. And that's all we have for this agenda. Take care and enjoy the week.